Well, today should be a special day. I'm gonna try to hide my excitement, if not for you guys, for Tim, because I know he's gonna make fun of me. New year 2020. This isn't the first video of the year, just because there's a CTSV shoot that we did last year that's gonna go up. It doesn't matter. If you guys saw my 2019 rewind video, at the tail end of it, my main goal for this year was to drive a supercar, because I've never driven a supercar before. And here we are, day one, 2020, and I'm gonna drive a supercar today. If you guys remember last year, we did a shoot with my friend Warrick from GasTachs. He has a RWS R8. We did that shoot where the waves were crashing into his car. But he actually watched the video and reached out to me to drive his R8 V10 RWS. So that's what we're gonna go do right now. I'm quite excited about it. Also really excited to kind of see his garage, because he has the dream garage. It's a pretty badass garage. Hopefully when we get there I can show you guys around. But at any rate, Warrick's a super cool dude. He has his own YouTube channel. It's GasTachs. He's actually building an R32 ice racing car, so that's pretty sweet. He actually studded all his tires. I'll show you all that when we get there. But the main premise behind this video is me driving a supercar for the first time. So it's probably not the ideal situation, just because today is arguably one of the worst days to drive, because all the hungover assholes from New Year's are going to be out. Cops are on high alert, and it's an RWS, which means it's rear wheel drive, my first supercar, and it's cold. And it's on winter tires, so everything's kind of against me, but should be fun. First ever supercar driving experience. Hell yeah. What's up, dude? I'm so envious of your garage. Wow. What's up, dude? Good to see you.
Likewise, likewise.
Look at that. I was actually telling everybody about your ice racing machine here.
Yeah. It is a work in progress, that's for sure.
Wow.
But it's coming along. It is coming along for sure.
Where are your studded tires? I wanted to show everybody
right
that.
around the corner.
Oh, look at those. How long did this take?
30 plus hours.
Oh my God.
A lot of holes. That's 140 holes per tire.
Wow.
Yeah, imagine getting cold under here.
So yeah, Warrick's got a pretty sweet video doing this. He made his own template and all that, so I'll leave a link in the description. This is cool stuff. All he's waiting for is the weather to cooperate.
I mean, today we had a 30-degree temperature.
It's crazy.
Now it's 41.
Yeah. Well, this is his R32.
Yeah, 2004 R32. They made 5,000 in America. This is it, work in progress. Always wanted one, finally got one. It's much cheaper to work on this thing than that thing. Working on bushings. So I ripped more of the front end out, so I had to get these bushings pressed in yesterday.
Oh, nice, nice.
So those got pushed in, so that's the next project. Putting the front end all back together and hopefully drive it soon.
So yeah, if you're interested in this kind of stuff, he does a lot of wrenching on his channel, so I'll leave that in the description. It's really, really cool stuff. I hate doing wrenching videos because they take so much effort, dude.
They do, and you know, I always have about 4 cameras running when I'm doing it.
I know.
And it also boring because a lot of it is time lapse.
Yeah, yeah.
But you know, it is what it is.
I always get oil and grease on my camera, so I kind of shied away from that. But
yeah, I actually dropped my camera the other day because I'm oily and greasy. I don't want to touch it, so you hold it light-handed and then you just.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, such is life, I guess.
Fashionably late as usual. Oh, he's in the M5 with Paul. Maybe we can get some V10 versus V10 action.
It's poppin', Jimbo.
Who's Jimbo? Hi, Paul.
Hello.
What's up?
I'm so tired.
You're always tired.
I know.
So, with my 7-month-old baby, I really never get to drive the car because he's normally napping, and when I start the car, the whole house vibrates.
All right, so Warrick's gonna drive first just so he can warm up the tires and I don't crash the car. And if I do, you're never gonna see this. So I gave Tim a camera, so let's hope he doesn't drop it out the window, and I'm sure he'll have commentary for all of us.
Activating Timbro perspective camera. Status active.
I don't know what to say. I don't know either. Yo, 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 on this episode of Pimp My Ride, it's gonna be some sweet audio footage of going over the fuck.
Monetization threat detected. Activating real-time censorship function. Sensitivity high.
Bumps. I don't know how you do this all day, bro. It's fucking hard to hold this camera. Elliot, this fucking lens length is shorter than my life expectancy, man. 18 millimeters. Oh shit. Action zone. Good footage. Oh, this is the fun part.
Auto, which is basically comfort mode, but if you start driving more aggressive, then the exhaust valves open. And then there's that dynamic mode, which changes the shift pattern and then opens up the exhaust valve. Another setting called individual. Like if you take this at a track day and there's a noise ordinance on the track, you can basically set it to be in sport mode with closed exhaust, so you won't get kicked off the track.
Very cool.
So it's cool to change that around, but yeah, 9 times out of 10, leave it in dynamic because it is so much better.
Neat. This commentary is going to be excellent for his YouTube video.
Still got the Rally 150 sticker.
Yeah. Rally 150. Cue the cop footage.
Okay?
Sir, freedom.
Get in your vehicle and leave right now.
I am, but you stop.
Right now, or you will go to
You're
jail.
very aggressive.
We got a third player has arrived. It's a fucking Volkswagen EOS with a JB4 RK2. Nice. Did you guys see that guy getting it in the freaking Volkswagen, dude? Insane.
I'm so excited for this.
Yeah, because I could hear it. I was like, oh shit.
Just for reference, we can't crash this.
Nah.
Memory for that. Like how many times it's
Over revs?
Yeah.
Really? Wow.
It's taking too long. I really just want to drop.
So I guess whoever buys this car from me is because like this guy didn't know how to drive.
The
Look at this fucking guy. Unbelievable. He's all grown up. I can't believe it.
Here we go. Pull down once for drive.
Hold on once. Now it's
Traction's on and all that.
everything's good. Yep.
Dynamic.
So there we go.
These too.
If you use that, just let me know because it doesn't turn off automatically. But right now it's automatic in sport mode.
Okay.
Just gonna say the 5.2 FSI V10 from Audi is probably one of the best modern engines. No Vanos issues, no rod bearings, you know, pretty well built. Pretty well built, absolutely.
Yeah, that thing revs out like crazy.
Wow. It's 8,900 RPM.
Holy shit. Wow.
Jesus Christ. He's probably having the time of his fucking life in there.
But when engaged paddles, just hit it.
Yeah, just hit it in the
Those pops are addicted. I missed the. See, in my car, if you approach redline, it'll do it automatically.
Yeah, that's what like this makes it a real car, right?
Familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces.
up.
This thing's awesome, dude.
All grown up. What do you think?
I can retire YouTube now. I got all my goals for the year.
Dude, insane.
This thing's awesome.
Dude, what do you think of the trans? Lightning fast, right? Yeah.
I didn't shift because I thought it was gonna auto.
I heard.
Shift. Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see if it goes in the video.
Yeah. Yeah. God damn it. I couldn't even tell him. I forgot to tell him. I screwed up. Didn't get the rev limiter in the video. I feel like a f***ing pine cone.
It's okay. We'll get my rev limiter eventually.
We'll get a rod to the block too. Bad boys, what you want? What you want? Oh, he's gone. Oh,
There he is.
what you gonna do? I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna get out the highway. Oh, they're gonna do it? No, don't. No. No.
Launch control.
No. SMG says no. No launch control. Dude, this f***ing focus on this camera.
Can you take a moment to show the audience we have no lights on our dash?
Whoa. Christmas came early, boys. Actually, Christmas came early a couple weeks ago when all the lights came on in the dash. Merry Christmas, Paul.
Well, that was f***ing awesome. First supercar experience on the first day of 2020. I mean, you can't get any better than that. Wow. Thank you, Warrick. How'd that look?
That was pretty insane, dude. That was sick.
The sound is insane.
It smells good, man.
Let's see what Tim Bro Photo thinks. I did all right.
Yeah.
I didn't want to push it. It's fucking rear wheel drive. And,
You didn't want to push it. It sounded like you're pushing it.
oh.
It sounds like
Sound pretty good. You weren't like going to the most aggressive gear though.
I know. I was scared.
I didn't do that with the guy either though. What do you think?
I did it,
Dude,
dude.
you f***ing did it.
Hell yeah.
I told you, he made a big deal over this. I'm like, we could literally get you like, off the top of my head, like 5 supercars that aren't Mike's.
Go. Thank you to GasTachs. Yeah, I know.
There's no memory seat.
I'm
There's no
quite short.
We got an APR stage shit Jetta versus the R8. Oh man, I gotta roll the window down for this. Oh! God,
You can't be serious.
come on! Disgusting! Disgusting! You can't be serious. There's no way. Dude, come on. He's got the Euro plate covered by the mandatory plate, and it sounds like Chewbacca taking his shit.
3, 2, 1, and...
You're terrible at calling this. Oh, there you go.
Go get him, Paul. No. Just a YouTube video.
Oh, cool. You guys have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What's the name?
He's GasTachs. Look up GasTachs.
GasTachs?
Yeah,
Yeah.
the sticker on the side.
I'm
Look
learning
at
on
his
your
plate.
Huh?
Look at his plate. His license plate. There you go. You got a subscriber out of it.
Hey man, everyone's got a shit.
You got a subscriber out of it. We're good. V10 versus V10. Unlike Paul. Well, there you go. My first ever experience on the first day of the year. Unbelievable.
That's how to start 2020.
There you go. We did it, boys.
Yeah, we did it. So did the Jetta. Crazy. Controllable.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Like, just like, and I know I don't have a lot to compare it to, but like, delivery-wise, everything it delivers, power, the shifts, everything, like the torque, is so much different than a regular car.
Yeah, it's, I was telling him, or what I was said in the video on this, is that the 5.2 FSI V10 is probably one of the greatest modern engines ever made, because it doesn't have rod bearing issues, or Vanos issues, or any of that extra stuff.
Poor Paul.
No, but that engine's the shit too. I love that car.
It sounds great.
Yeah, that sounds crazy.
Well, that happened today. Day one of 2020. Got to drive my first ever supercar. Obviously, this video's not going out the first day of 2020 just because these edits take time to put together. You guys know that. I just want to address something really quickly about this whole YouTube thing. Things have been snowballing quite rapidly, especially with the content. And honestly, if I never did these videos and put them up, I wouldn't meet great people like Warrick who would reach out to me and offer me to drive their six-figure car, kind of thrash on it like an asshole. But yeah, I just want to also extend the biggest thank you to Warrick for letting me do that, having the trust for me to rip his R8 around. Like I said before, Warrick's got a YouTube channel. It's called GasTachs. It'll be the first link in the description. He does many videos a week, a lot of wrenching, and he's very close to finishing his ice racing R32. So make sure to go check him out. It's the least we can do for him for letting me rip his R8 around. But yeah, my first supercar experience. The only way that I can explain it, because I don't have much to compare it to other than comparing it to my regular ass car, things are just much more quick, much, you know, the power, the torque, the transmission shifts, the input on the throttle, the center on steering, everything's much more enhanced, much more dramatic. And that's probably not a good term to describe the R8 because of what people say about it. Obviously it's my first experience, so I'm gonna be, you know, over the moon about it, but had an absolute blast driving that thing. I couldn't be more thankful that I met Warrick, so thank you again, sir. With that being said, when I made my goal last year to drive a supercar, I honestly didn't think it was gonna happen this quickly, so I probably should have been a little more ambitious with the number of supercars that I wanted to drive this year. So if any of my other rich friends want to lend me the keys to their supercar, I'm not gonna turn that down. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I can't wait to go through Tim's commentary, because I'm sure there's a plethora of footage from that camera. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. I certainly did. I guess that's it for this one, and here's a little sneak peek to next week's video.
This is a heavy camera.
This fucking guy in the Volkswagen's going crazy. Oh shit, uh-oh.
Like I said before, Warrick's got a YouTube channel. It's called GasTachs.
Congratulations.
Thanks, Karen.